and try and discuss about what needs to be done beyond that. Okay, so I'll quickly get to it so that we're done by in time. So should I, in the list of people who had submitted also, I'm not discussing everybody's work. I've selected a few of them that I want to discuss.
That's fine. I think we sent the feedback which you had given yesterday.
Right.
So they all have their individual feedback. So if they want to ask specific to that, they can always ask.
They can also ask. Right.
Yeah. Otherwise, you can discuss whatever you want to discuss.
Okay, so I've taken different types of ones. So I think by the time we finish all of them, I think we would be kind of done with most of the feedback.
Okay.
So I'll basically start with the first one, Ipshita and Tanya's West Delhi. Just sharing my screen. Share screen. You guys can see the screen now?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So basically, this is one of the presentations which had more or less everything right in some sense. So I thought, let me start with that. So we go through it and then we pick up the other one that have are there someplace and some places completely gone off the track.
Okay.
So basically, this one was about Amit Agarwal. So I'm going to through the first few slides because this is something that we discussed already last time. I'm going to get directly to design development. Earlier. So the design development, we were supposed to choose one of the alternatives of an option and explore that further. So the first obviously was the set of keywords. So basically, this had to be a short list of the keywords that were suggested earlier also in the previous slide. So there's a lot more keywords. This was supposed to be a refinement of that. So here the keywords were like fine based on Amit Agarwal's kind of clothing and the kind of philosophy he belongs to. So this was fine. And it's like just the right amount of words, not too many, not too little. And then out of the multiple inspiration that was shortlisted by this person, it was shortlisted down to the silkworm life cycle and that particular theme, which is talking about the silkworm on the web. So there are multiple slides on this, which is actually good. I mean, it kind of clarifies the मतलब कितना exploration possible है और कितना extend जा सकते हैं, because at this stage you don't want to kind of limit yourself also. Even though you shortlisted one theme to go forward with, but within the theme there's still scope of innovating at a very wide scale. And then it was broken down to different mood boards. Obviously, the form, material, color, and texture mood boards. So here also, I mean, last time also I think we had discussed this thing where she's edited some more images and kind of got to. I mean, I won't say this is absolutely perfect or ekdam clear, but it's still a growth from where it was last time, where a mood board, a form mood board actually shows forms that are similar to each other so that you can find the storyline. So basically the idea is that एक story में there has to be forms that kind of merge together or kind of talk to each other in some sense to come together, and the images had to be more from the form. अभी बहुत सारे presentation में ऐसा हुआ कि form mood board में the images are such that you can't really understand what the form you have to take away from that particular thing, because it's either too cluttered or it's too zoomed out. But here I think this is a good selection of images because here you can see only the forms, and the forms come out like very, very evidently. So like the first one is more organic and it's kind of curvilinear, but still has a shape of an oval kind of a thing. The second one is slightly more free flow. I'm saying this is in the right direction. It's not absolutely perfect, but could be refined further, but it's still in the right direction. So here we are exploring multiple form stories with relation to, let's say, metamorphosis that we were talking about and the inspiration of Silkworm. So all these stories have to correlate to the selection of the final theme, which in a lot of cases has not happened. So what has happened is कि आपने keywords लिया है set और उसके बाद आपने inspiration choose किया है, उसके बाद as soon as you get down to the mood boards, the connect between the mood boards and the theme chosen is very difficult to establish. तो वो आपने आप जब कलर स्टोरी पे आए हो तो आप सीधा you have just decided that this is my color story, and it's some in a lot of places it was very difficult to correlate the stories to the concept or the theme that you're choosing. Okay. So here also some edited images from the last time has happened, where the material story kind of I would still like I'm like taking as what's been put here, saying that if I put two materials here, I'm hoping that in the final design you're going to have mostly only the two material. There will be other material, but predominantly it is going to be only the two material that you put on in a material portrait. So typically what happens is whenever you do a material palette, it at least composes of at least 4 to 5 materials, because it is difficult to otherwise do something with a very limited palette. So here, wherever there is, let's say like some people have put glass and they've only put 5 images of glass. So I have not commented too much on that. I've just said I'm hoping that in the final concept, I'll see mostly glass. There might be other material, but it should be fairly mostly glass, because you have to take it from these to move to the final concept. So this was kind of in some sense still okay. So the second one is thread. It's got metal, but it's still got more metal and thread. You can still work on this a little more and be more specific about even if you're using, let's say, a wooden material to kind of support a structure. So all those things can happen. Color stories are okay because I mean, I'm still linking it to the concept, saying that, it's talking about silkworm and silk and all of that, and it's usually mostly neutral colors and a very, very earthy palette in that sense. So the top palette is fine. The second palette, I was still a little vague about where it derived from, but I'm hoping that maybe it's the colors that the designer maybe uses, which is that palette, and you could derive from that palette also. And these are all subjective. So, there is no right or wrong here. It just makes, you have to make sure that when we put these stories together, at least the stories are more holistic and they're relevant to the concept that you're choosing. Okay, but I mean, you could have taken a purple instead of a blue, and it would have been okay because it's still subjective in that sense. As far as you're talking about rich colors, so rich colors, you have option of 4 to 5 colors, and you could choose any of these colors. Then in texture story, it's okay still work in progress, but I still think this is fine in terms of. But what I like about this presentation is the choice of imagery. So the images are very, very clear to what is being shown in the image. So this was more because I'm allowing this to pass is only because I find this particular presentation having better imagery than most presentations in terms of what is being shown, because it only captures that much and nothing more than that. So if I'm talking of textures, I'm saying 4 out of the 5 textures are aligned to the concept. Maybe one doesn't, but it's okay. As far as the translation is clear. And then going down to your rough sketches. So here we were expecting people to kind of just create smaller ideas in context to the ramp and put it down as doodles, so that we can at a very early stage distinguish between what idea will work and what will not work. Okay, this was not saying that कि आपको एक final ramp design बनाना है या कुछ करना है, but just enough work to be done, and we don't have to go too much into detail here. Okay, because here we are only negotiating कि what idea can be explored और वो काम कर.
Sir,
so we might have to drop that idea. So this stage is अभी
आ रही बीच में हैंग हो गया था.
अच्छा, sorry, I'll repeat what I said.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically I'm saying that this initial idea design idea stage जो है ना, वहां पर जो sketches करने हैं आपको detailed sketches नहीं करने हैं. You have to do sketches that explore an idea to a level where you can decide whether this idea is feasible or not feasible. ठीक है, so you don't have to go into the details of एकदम वो texture कैसा होगा या वो detail क्या होगा, नहीं. As an overall inspiration आपने जो लिया है वो translate आप जब करते हैं एक idea में, basic level पे कंस्ट्रक्ट बराबर है कि नहीं है, इसको मैं स्ट्रक्चर में कन्वर्ट कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं कर सकता हूँ, ये स्ट्रक्चर में कन्वर्ट करूंगा तो उसके साथ क्या कॉम्प्लिकेशंस आएगा. तो बेसिकली दिस स्टेज एंड द प्रीवियस स्टेज हैव टू इन्फॉर्म ईच अदर. तो आपने सडनली ये स्टार्ट किया सपोज एक्सप्लोर करना कि ये ऐसा करना है मुझे, एंड सडनली यू रियलाइज कि there's certain material that you have not listed in your material palette that you might have to use because of the way the design is flowing, then you can go back to that thing and revise that a little bit. ठीक है, because both these stages have to inform each other, because that's how the iterative design works. आपने थोड़ा सा इस लेवल पे काम किया, इससे इन्फॉर्म होके आपने प्रीवियस लेवल को मॉडिफाई किया, फिर उस मॉडिफिकेशन को लेकर आपने दोबारा से आइडिएट किया. तो एट दिस स्टेज आपको सिर्फ रफ स्केचेस करने हैं एज अ वेरी वेरी बेसिक आइडिया के ये दिस स्केच ऑन द राइट साइड इज फाइन फॉर मी. ठीक है, a sketch on the left side is also fine for me because it's okay. I mean, you don't have to use scale and all that. आप बेसिक सिर्फ स्केच भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, टाइम कम ताकि लगे. So basically the idea is to generate more options and not so much detail. ठीक है, बिकॉज अभी जितने भी प्रेजेंटेशन है सब में मुश्किल से 2 या 3 या 4 स्केचेस हैं, विच आर बेसिकली आइडियाज. ज्यादा स्केचेस है भी तो आइडियाज या 1 या 2 ही हैं, सिर्फ वेरिएशन नहीं है आइडिया में. तो बेसिकली एट दिस स्टेज वी आर नॉट लुकिंग एट फाइनलाइजिंग वन आइडिया एंड मूविंग फॉरवर्ड राइट नाउ. उसके बाद वाला स्टेज, द नेक्स्ट स्टेज इज वेयर वी एक्चुअली शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग स्टफ. ठीक है, ये आपका एक्सप्लोरेशन स्टेज है. तो इसमें जितने आइडियाज आप एक्सप्लोर कर सके विच इज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर, that is what we're looking at here.
Sir, you're not audible.
Now? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, it's fine for me, Wasim. I don't know
Oh, yeah.
if anybody else is having a problem, but I can hear.
Sir, you're not audible. You're not audible, sir.
I think there will be multiple connection issues. Either my connection or your connection might be.
I can hear you very
Yeah,
well.
I can hear.
Perfectly fine
I can also hear.
from our side.
Even I can
hear.
also hear, sir.
So who is not able to hear, maybe you'll have to relocate yourself a little bit with a connection as it's stronger maybe. So if more than 2-3 people don't hear me, just shout out at the middle. Okay, so that at least I know that I'm audible to everyone mostly. So yeah, so this stage is basically variety of ideas is what we need to kind of achieve from this particular stage, because इसके बाद हम selection करेंगे. अभी हम select नहीं कर रहे हैं, अभी हम options try कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, so like this idea was done at this level. This top 2 sketches were more than enough for me. You didn't have to go down to this level to actually put down more detail at this particular level. ठीक है, side elevation वो सब बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Texture पे, I mean, you don't have to kind of spend time deciding what texture should be there and what. This is later level. Maybe this idea will not work. So what if you don't select this idea? So all this work that you're doing at this level might get wasted. So what we are saying is that at this stage, to a very very basic level ideation.
Sir, in this stage, we can also put those sketches that we have put earlier.
Yes, I have actually put down in the comment saying that अपने जो वो क्या बोलते हैं cocoon का और
Yeah, I have put some of the sketches in this slide.
Yeah, so basically I told them that was interesting to put because that also was taken to too much level, but I like the process of it, so that particular sketches had to be a part of this ideation only.
Okay.
So here you have put down some. So यहाँ पर जैसे भी अपने color किया है ना, I mean I understand कि you guys are still not used to doing very very basic sketches. कि जैसे आपने जितने भी आर्किटेक्ट्स का अगर ड्राइंग देखा होगा, वो जो पहला जब नैपकिन पे बना देते हैं या टिश्यू पेपर पे बना देते हैं या तो पेपर पड़ा हुआ उस पे बना देते हैं ना, जस्ट टू व्हाइल डिस्कसिंग कि ये ऐसा हो सकता है. So that is what I'm looking at. ठीक है, because spending time to color and detail and that is a secondary stage. ठीक है, अभी वो जरूरत नहीं है. अभी वो गोल होगा या स्क्वायर होगा या ट्राइंगल होगा, ओवरऑल that is more important. ऊपर होगा या नीचे होगा, that's maybe more important. बट ऊपर क्या होगा और किस लेवल का डिटेल में होगा, that is the detailing phase of it. ठीक है, अभी ideation stage है. तो आप, I would like you guys maybe take more time, just kind of explore more a little bit on the variety of ideas, because I see one idea here, I see one idea here, and I see one idea here. The 3 ideas. ठीक है, you should be able to generate 30 ideas in one day. So basically हर idea पे आपको 2 से 3 मिनट या 5 मिनट लगने चाहिए, उससे ज्यादा नहीं लगना चाहिए. ठीक है, so that is the time you give yourself. I have if I'm spending more than 2 minutes to 3 minutes or 5 minutes on an idea, then it's going into a different direction. ठीक है, तो गिव योरसेल्फ फॉर दैट टाइम स्लॉट, एंड उतने में जितना डिटेल आप डाल सकते हो ना उतना ही डालो।
So
आपके पास ज्यादा टाइम,
we have to develop single unit ideas, like if I'm working on some hanging light वाला scene, तो उसका sketch बना के लिख डाल दिया, या बैक वॉल का बनाना है तो बैक वॉल जो लिड वॉल्स आती है उसका डाल दिया।
नहीं, अभी आप इंडिविजुअल एलिमेंट्स ना देखें,
ठीक है।
मैं अभी तो बोला नहीं है कि आपको बैक वॉल है या वो, आप उस लेवल पे नहीं, बट यू नो दैट यू आर डूइंग अ रैम्प डिजाइन, राइट? ठीक है, राइट नाउ वी आर स्टिल कीपिंग आवर ऑप्शंस ओपन के रैम्प सीधा नहीं है, टेढ़ा भी हो सकता है।
ओके,
ठीक है, पॉसिबिलिटी है बाद में कंस्ट्रेंट आएगा कि सीधा रैम्प करना, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग, बट इफ यू वांट टू इंस्पायर द फॉर्म ऑफ द रैम्प थ्रू योर इंस्पिरेशन, or you want to do the back wall in a certain way or the roof in a certain way, I would say that you explore that possibility now. ठीक है, आपको, because this is a design exercise, ठीक है, right now we are not putting too many constraints इतने, because क्या होता है कभी-कभी प्रोजेक्ट्स पे इतने कंस्ट्रेंट होते हैं ना, आप अपना जो क्रिएटिव एक्सप्लोरेशन है ना वो आप उस लेवल तक नहीं लेके जा सकते। So right now we have an opportunity because this is a semi hypothetical project, let's say, so we can do the exploration at this stage, and once we have to, let's say, do for a real life project, you can take that and adapt it, you can modify it to fit the constraint also. ठीक है, one second, yes beta, what sound? There's nothing, there's up and down, there's no, it's only you and me in the house, beta. Then you can sit at the back and then play, sit here and play. Okay, go there. Sorry, I have this, I am home alone with the kid. So, and it's an empty house, and he heard some sound outside, so he quietly came and sit next to me saying that I heard some sound outside. Yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, so from that perspective, no, I'm saying that kids don't get into the smaller elements, individual elements. ठीक है, वो इंडिविजुअल लेवल से बाद में, अभी आप ओवरऑल जो आपको एक्सपीरियंस देना है ना, आप उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से स्केच करो। ठीक है, अभी बिल्डिंग बनाना है ना, तो बिल्डिंग ऐसे रेक्टेंगल होगा या सर्कुलर होगा या क्या बोलते हैं पिरामिडिकल होगा, आप वो स्केच करो। आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट कि उसमें पिरामिडिकल वाले में विंडो कैसा होगा वो मैं नहीं करने बोल रहा हूँ आपको। ठीक है, दरवाजा किधर से निकलेगा किधर से जाएगा नहीं, बट द बेसिक्स ऑफ व्हेन आई कम टू दिस सेट, what is it that I'm thinking in my head that is inspired from it, I want you to represent that in a sketch. That's why I call it an idea sketch. I'm not calling it a drawing, I'm not calling it, it's just an idea sketch. It should give me an idea that this idea is worth exploring further, and if it's worth exploring further, the next stage will make sure that we get to the details. Okay. I hope that I'm clarifying a lot of these issues for everybody else also. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. One question.
हाँ जी.
Sir, आपने ये बोला है कि there should be lot of ideas and sketches, okay, right, which will define the form which we are going to do finally. But उसी के साथ right, आपने एक चीज ये भी बोली कि texture और form stories जो हैं that should be limited. There should not be lot of things in that. Then when we are doing the sketches, उसमें काफी ज़्यादा हम सोच सकते हैं, और but initially only we are asked like we have to restrict somewhere. So that's where I'm confused. Okay,
I'll just clarify again. So हमने जो mood board बनाया ना different stories,
yes,
वो different stories पे limit नहीं है. ठीक है, I have only kept 5 imagery, fine. This is not a project that is very big. ठीक है, so I am assuming that you should not be using more than 4 to 5 material to execute that particular project. If I was doing like a, let's say a resort, then maybe the material palette would have been larger, because आपको उसमें outdoor देखना है, indoor देखना है, semi indoor देखना है, lobby areas है, rooms है, there's a lot of variety in that. But our project is a very, very limited, straightforward project. So I'm hoping that there should not be more than 4 to 5 material that you'll use. So when I'm restricting that one story should be 5 material, let's say at the most, these are primary materials. ठीक है, अगर आप screws और nuts use कर रहे हो जो metal में है and that are not seen, that doesn't become a part of your material story. ठीक है, only predominant material become the material that will actually create the experience is what should be the part of the material story. ठीक है, तो हर material नहीं जाना चाहिए, and at the same time एक material story 5 material का है, but I've not stopped the number of material stories. You could have 5 numbers of material stories, 10 numbers of material stories if you could actually generate that much. ठीक है, but I'm saying that because we have shortlisted our inspiration to 1, I'm saying 3 to 4 material stories, or you document 2 of them. You might explore 10 of them, but you think that 2 of them are working and that's what you document here, or 3 of them are working that you document here. ठीक है, तो उधर लिमिटेशन नहीं है, आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो कितना रखना है, आपको 10 मटेरियल स्टोरी डालनी है आप डाल सकते हो, एज फार एज द लिंक टू द इंस्पिरेशन. ठीक है, तो at every stage there's no limitation to doing that as far as you can justify how you're linking it to the inspiration and it is relevant to it. ना क्या हो गया कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने अगर मटेरियल स्टोरी डाल दी है तो 5 मटेरियल स्टोरी डाल दी है as a 5 different types of material story, but not all of them linked to the concept. ठीक है, because I said कि जनरेट करना है ज्यादा कॉन्सेप्ट या मटेरियल स्टोरी, आपने 5 अलग अलग तरह के मटेरियल स्टोरीज बनाते हैं, but is it relevant to the inspiration that you've taken or not taken? That has to be checked every time. ठीक है, so all these stories have to be relevant to the inspiration that you've chosen. ठीक है, random material palette नहीं चाहिए मुझे, या तो random color palette नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है, that I'm kind of completely driving away from the fact कि जो हम मेरा मन किया और मैंने चूज कर लिया ना, वो जो हमारा टेक्निक है ना, मैं उसको हटाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. ठीक है, आपने ये कलर पैलेट क्यों चूज किया, उसके लिए आपके पास एक रीजन तो कम से कम होना चाहिए, अदर देन कि मेरा मन था. ठीक है, देयर हैज टू बी सम बिट ऑफ वैलिडेशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू व्हाई यू आर चूजिंग व्हाट यू चूजिंग, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड अ चॉइस. आप कुछ भी चूज करते हो तो देयर इज सर्टेन डिसीजन दैट यू टेक नो, कि मैं ये करती हूँ, ये नहीं चूजी हूँ, तो उसके ऊपर एक 4-5 क्वेश्चन अपने आप पूछो ना, वो सवाल पूछना जरूरी है. चॉइस क्लेम माने बिफोर यू मेक अ चॉइस. Thank you. So before you make a choice, you basically need to go through that self-evaluation at every stage. And for us, the evaluation here is not self-evaluation right now. It's the evaluation based on the inspiration that I've chosen. This material palette, does it align to my inspiration? If yes, then I'll keep it. If no, then I have to think of another. So is this color palette linking to my inspiration and my theme that I've chosen? If yes, I keep it. If no, remove it. Okay.
So do we need to write at the bottom why I have chosen some particular color theme? Because I think what we are thinking, that is not conveyed properly.
So that's the thing. So that's another level of the work that we are trying to work around. Saying that कि आप हमेशा लिख के बता नहीं सकते या खड़े होके समझा नहीं सकते. ठीक है. So the reason that I'm focusing so much on image selection, कि आपका अगर इमेज सिलेक्शन बराबर है ना, और आपने खुद से वो 5 सवाल पूछ के वो चूज किया है, तो वो मुझे दिख जाएगा. Because when I'm reviewing a presentation, I'm constantly going back and forth. When I'm looking at a color story and I don't understand a color story, I go over the previous 3 slides and previous 10 slides to make sure I've understood where you're coming from, to make sure that the color story is correct. Okay. So I keep going. That's how I review the thing. It's not कि मैं sequence में review नहीं करता हूँ. मेरा रिव्यूइंग भी बैक एंड फोर्थ होता है कि मे बी आई एम लुकिंग एट सो मेनी प्रेजेंटेशन, मे बी आई मिस आउट ऑफ समथिंग. ठीक है, तो अगर मुझे कहीं भी डिस्कनेक्ट दिखता है तो आई रिव्यू इट बैक. सो आई एम सेइंग दैट कि इफ योर इमेज सिलेक्शन इज क्लियर, नो, देन यू विल नॉट हैव टू राइट अंडर इट. बिकॉज़ सी वी आर टॉकिंग डिजाइनर टू डिजाइनर, यू आर नॉट डूइंग डिजाइनर टू क्लाइंट. अगर आप जब प्रेजेंटेशन क्लाइंट के लिए बनाते हो ना, तो देन मे बी यू विल हैव टू राइट, देन यू माइट हैव टू राइट. ठीक है, बिकॉज़ ही डजंट कम फ्रॉम द सेम बैकग्राउंड ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग और सेम ऑफ विजुअलाइजेशन और अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ठीक है, बट अभी हम डिजाइनर टू डिजाइनर बात कर रहे हैं, तो आई लेट गो द फैक्ट दैट कि उसको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर वो रिमोटली 30% भी करेक्ट है ना, आई विल बी एबल टू कोरिलेट. ठीक है, तो इसमें आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, बट आपको अगर लगता है कि आपको सही इमेजेस नहीं मिला एंड यू आर आल्सो इन डाउट सम लेवल, देन मे बी यू कैन राइट अ कपल ऑफ वर्ड्स सो दैट एटलीस्ट आई नो दैट योर इंटेंशन इज करेक्ट. मे बी यू आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड द राइट इमेज, बट योर डायरेक्शन इज ऑल राइट. ठीक है, so we can do that also. Yeah, so this was as much as this, and then post this is the next stage. I'll go through this in the one so that I don't have to do it again. So इसके बाद हमने जो ऊपर किया है ना, ये उसका एडिट स्टेज है. हमने मल्टीपल स्केचेस किए, हमने मल्टीपल मटेरियल बोर्ड बनाए, हमने मल्टीपल कलर बोर्ड्स बनाए, हमने मल्टीपल फॉर्म बोर्ड्स बनाए. At this stage, based on your concept note or what you are trying to create, and based on the inspiration chosen, you have to basically just shortlist the one direction that you think works for you, and together, okay, what form story correlates to the color story, correlates to the texture story, and to the material story. So now we are talking of all these things talking to each other. अभी तक हम क्या कर रहे थे कि हमारा individual board was linking up to the concept, ठीक है, but they were not linking up to each other, let's say, ठीक है. So when I'm saying that I've chosen material board में मैंने rock choose किया है या stone choose किया है, और as an option in my texture board I've said smooth texture also एक palette है और एक rough texture का palette है, ठीक है. So now if I'm choosing the stone वाला direction as a material palette, which texture palette will align to that material palette I'll have to choose, ठीक है. So now basically this stage is basically about saying that कि हम एक final inspiration board बनाएंगे जो हमारा final concept का है. उसके बाद final color board, final material board, final texture board, and final foam board. So these are final stories that will carry forward, and the basis of selection of these final stories are basically out of the multiple stories that looks feasible to you. You can, this is a choice that you can make. You know, like when you're doing a design solution, there could be multiple solutions that you can come up with, and this is because we are talking more thematic representation. There's not too many constraints. We will say that okay, this design will work and this might not work completely. You could have 10 designs that could work. Okay. Here I'll let the choice be yours, saying that okay, I think that this is what I'm passionate about and this is what I think I want to do for this particular designer. Out of the 15 ideas that I've created, you can choose one of them. And after that, the selection of the different storyboards, like the material, form, color, and texture, has to be in alignment to that. And this time, all these boards have to talk to each other. Okay. So that selection, now you'll have to do based on each other. Okay. And then we start doing your final sketches of that particular idea, and so on and so forth. उसके बाद तो continue होता रहता है, but at least this level पे, to select the final idea, to select the final mood boards for material, color, form, and texture based on its relevance to the final theme chosen, and based on the fact that they talk to each other and form a complete story on the whole, that selection, and then based on that, your final sketches. In terms of final sketches बोल रहा हूँ तो final मतलब कि एक sketch नहीं चाहिए मुझे final idea के multiple sketches चाहिए. ठीक है, तो let's say in this particular presentation, you have 3 ideas on top. I'm hoping there are more. So let's say this is one idea, this is one idea, and this is one idea, and then you आपका जो snail का form से inspired था एक वो idea, let's say, ठीक है. And I decide that out of these 5 ideas, I think the snail is what the transformation comes across better in that particular concept. So I'm going to take that forward as a basis of my concept. So that will become the starting point. So keeping, let's say, the inspiration of the that snail plus pupa and cocoon inspiration, you put that here, and then based on that you select के अभी मुझे वो डिजाइन करना है, तो मेरे मटेरियल पैलेट में से कौन सा मटेरियल पैलेट उसके साथ कंपैटिबल है, ठीक है. Because when I'm looking at the other, like your material palette could have been derived out of, let's say, this particular option also, which is very hard material, which is glass and metal, ठीक है. But if I have to do that other organic web-like design, I might not be able to use the same material, correct? So even in your material board, if there are different options, you choose the one that is more compatible to this, okay. Same way with the color, same way with the texture, okay. So it by default start evolving and start forming this one story, okay. And once you do that, then you get down to the stage where you are doing this kind of detailing. कि आपने वो ओवरऑल फॉर्म तो डिसाइड कर लिया है, बट ओवरऑल फॉर्म के अंदर भी बहुत सारे वेरिएशन हो सकते हैं, ठीक है. ये जो स्नेल से फॉर्म इंस्पायर किया है वो मैं बैकड्रॉप में डाल रहा हूँ, या मैं फोरग्राउंड में एक प्रॉप की तरह डाल रहा हूँ, या पूरा रैंप ऐसा होगा, ठीक है. ऑल दोस आर मल्टीपल एक्सप्लोरेशन ऑफ द फाइनल आइडिया. So there also I want to see more variation within the constraint of one selection of the idea. How much variation can you get? Okay. So that's the next stage basically, and that will kind of end up being till let's say यहाँ पर जहाँ पर मैंने final 3D डाला है, final elevation डाला है, यहाँ पर भी मत जाओ आप you can stop at final layout and final elevation. And these are only 2 slides, but you could have multiples of them if you're exploring more. Okay. I'm not the final 3D visualization render. Once we figure out कि ये जो final concept है, इसमें जो हमने exploration किया है, इसमें से ये particular काम कर रहा है, then we'll start getting into the 3D. So once you come to this stage, then I'll say that, according to me as a audience or viewer, I think this idea really works with your concept. Then we take that into the technical detail of that. Okay, where we represent it in 3D, we do the actual drawings of it and all of that. Okay. Any questions? I'm assuming there are no more questions. हाँ जी.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर. मैं ये पूछना चाहती थी सर कि जो हमारे जितने भी हमने फॉर्म स्टाइल जो भी हम लेंगे, जितने भी हमने स्केचेस वगैरह बनाए होंगे, हमारे जो भी 4 या 5 जो भी हमारा हमने एक डिजाइन आइडिया हमने क्रिएट किया है, उसी बेस में से किसी एक डिजाइन आइडिया को हम आगे फॉरवर्ड करेंगे.
करेक्ट.
ओके. तो उसी बेस पे ही हमारे सारे फॉर्म्स, मटेरियल्स और जितना भी हमने अभी मतलब हमने चाहे 4 मटेरियल यूज करना है, चाहे जो भी हमने इसमें जितने भी कलर्स यूज करने हैं, उसी आइडिया बेसिस पे ही हमें अपना फाइनल इंस्पिरेशनल जो चीजें
सिलेक्शन करना पड़ेगा. करेक्ट.
ओके.
तो आपने अभी जो करंट स्टेज है, अगर उसमें आपने सही से कलर पैलेट और सही से मटेरियल पैलेट और सही से टेक्सचर पैलेट बनाया होगा ना, तो आपको इस लेवल पर सिर्फ सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. You might not have to rework on it again.
Okay sir. Actually sir, मेरे आज फीडबैक मुझे मिला है, तो उसमें मेरा एक पॉइंट है जो मुझे समझ नहीं आया, क्योंकि मैं वर्षा बोल रही हूँ सर, गुड़गांव से.
ओके.
हेलो सर. एक्चुअली उसमें एक पॉइंट था आपने कि हाँ सर, उसमें एक पॉइंट था कि आप जितने भी मटेरियल जो मैंने यूज किए हैं, मतलब जैसे 1 मटेरियल, मेरा पहला मटेरियल था वुड, दूसरा था मेटल, थर्ड वन इज फैब्रिक मतलब कार्पेट टाइप, और फोर्थ वन इज द ग्लास मिरर बेसिकली. तो ये जो मैंने मटेरियल
I'm just opening your presentation because I know what you're talking about, because I remember your presentation also. Okay. And because I think I'll have to show that to you so that you understand my feedback a little more clearly. Okay.
Okay sir.
Can you
yes,
see the
sir.
screen now?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
So this is your presentation, right? Right. So I'm skipping through the initial slides. We'll come to the design development area. See, the basic idea of this step-by-step design is to make sure that कि आप हर level पे ना, आपको एक level पे सब कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. At every step you can do one small intervention and it improves your idea. ठीक है. So the whole idea is कि हम इतने step में इसलिए कर रहे हैं कि हर stage पे थोड़ा problem areas remove होते जाए, ताकि when you come to the final idea it's perfect. Otherwise क्या होता है कि आप एक आइडिया को लेके अगर एक्सप्लोर करोगे ना और डिटेल में बनाना चालू करोगे, because you're stuck with that one idea, the huge chances that there'll be a lot of problem in the end. But if you do through this whole process, you kind of eliminate ideas as you move forward. Okay. Who was the designer?
Sabyasachi sir.
Sabyasachi, right? Right. So you basically, your concept note was talking about the royals, epitome is in Indian luxury.
Yes sir.
So that's the basis of it. Okay. And you're basically taking royal and contemporary and trying to mix them together, right?
Yes sir.
So words are okay. Again, these are subjective, so the words go, but these are more or less okay. So I am not too picky about that. Jenny, your ears are too sharp. So these are basically your shortlisted images, right?
Yes sir.
So यहाँ पर भी when you're talking of, let's say, royal, luxury, grandeur, ठीक है, I like the fact that you kind of taken different types of elements, but I would want you to kind of look at images that are more contextual to, let's say, Sabyasachi. Okay, so if his work is inspired, let's say, from Rajasthan or let's say West Bengal or the region from, because his work is not inspired from international luxury. Okay, his inspiration is from our own traditional royal domain, let's say. Okay, so images, if it comes to that particular place, then it becomes more apt. So you can take palaces, you can take other things that kind of signify luxury in the Indian context or in the royal context, let's say. So I would not, kind of take this bathtub on the right side, on the top. I would not take that as an image. Okay? Or I would not take the top center image also, because that is also not very Indian in that need. So I would basically, because you're inspiring from here, you need to make sure that the origin or the source of inspiration is clear and relevant to the designer and the concept chosen. ठीक है, आप उसको interpret करके contemporary करने वाले हो, that is your exercise. ठीक है, but this is basically talking mostly about your inspiration, so it has to come from the origin itself. So here the images of Indian objects, places, spaces that reflect royalty means, ठीक है. So some images might need to get edited here. Then when you move down, so your form story, I'm assuming the first form story is mostly about arches and slightly more gateways and arches kind of an inspiration.
Sir, you are not audible.
Okay, can you hear me now?
It's okay. We
We all can hear.
वर्षा आपको नहीं सुन रहा है? I think she can't hear anybody. So
I can't hear you, sir.
Varsha, can you hear me? I think that there's an issue at her end. You just carry on, Wasim.
वर्षा पे को डिस्कनेक्ट करके वाईफाई ठीक करो.
Now, is it okay now? Can you hear me now?
Sir, I can't hear you. You are not audible.
It's a.
आप एक बार, I think आप एक बार disconnect करके दोबारा connect करो. Somebody should tell her that. She can't hear me, so how will I tell her? I think somebody needs to message us saying that.
I have told her that the problem is at her end. So let's see if she.
Yeah, she should disconnect and reconnect again.
Yeah.
So should we continue or should we wait for her to come, or should we pick up the presentation till then?
Now she's muted also.
Ma'am, I have messaged her. She's, having problems since morning in the connection. We had a meeting also, since at that time also she was facing some problem. So I messaged her, so you can continue with the.
So what I'll do, I'll explain the feedback, and somebody who talks to her later can explain the feedback if they can.
Sure, I will.
You can see it.
Yeah.
We load these videos onto YouTube. You can watch it there.
Cool. Okay. So basically, the form stories are fine, but again, it's basically I'm still trying to link this to the concept. Okay. First image of the arches from the palace is fine. Okay. The second image of the bridge, I don't know how to connect this to Indian luxury or royals, let's say. Okay. So why am I taking my inspiration from the bridge? Is my question. So if I'm saying that my concept revolves around royalty and royal and luxurious theme, I need to derive the form inspiration from objects that are from that domain, or places that are from domain, or forms that kind of signify that from. So it has, the selection of the images has to be based on that. It can't be कि आपको आज का अगर मेरा फॉर्म है स्टोरी, तो आप यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि रिवर्स में जा रहा है. आपने डिसाइड किया है कि आर्टिस्ट है, and then you're looking for images that show that form, whereas my process is just the opposite. I'm looking at images and trying to find a pattern. ठीक है? So यहाँ पर the disparity in a lot of presentation is that only. You have already decided a particular form, and then you looked at different images from different contexts and put the images together. Some images are correct, some are not. So यहाँ पर the typically is that the image is okay, maybe the last image is also okay of the palki, but the बीच के जो दो images है ना, वो मुझे concept के साथ sync नहीं हो रहा. So even if you were talking of nature and the trees and that arch form, then an imagery from let's say a place which it's just not a jungle, but still signifies that whole luxury royal aspect of it. That connection needs to be there. So my thing is that you pick the images and choose a pattern within that, and not decide on a pattern and then start looking for images that show that pattern. Okay? So it's basically reverse. So this is what I was talking about here. At the bottom also, we have taken pillars. Okay? But we've just taken 4 types of pillars. Now, how do we connect these pillars to Sabyasachi or royalty or Indian in that sense? First one is okay. Second one, chalo, I still say it's okay because it's like a very watered down version of pillars broken down to interiors. The third looks like a Greek table to me, Greek pedestal based table. I don't know what it is, or it's like a, I think ये अशोका चक्र का जो bottom है ना, उसका pillar बना के table बनाया है, something like that. But these images don't give me that feeling of what you're talking about. And the fourth one is just a pillar cut. So I'm saying that I'm a little lost when it comes to images like this because I don't know how to form the story. Because here I can okay, so this is just the other way around. And then when it comes down to the material palette, like I was saying in the beginning, is inka story one jo hai, it's all wood. Okay, different forms of wood. Right? The second story is different types of metal, same metal in different forms or different types of metal, let's say. Third story is only carpet. Fourth story is only mirror or glass. So here, I think there's the concept of a story has been misunderstood. Like last time also मैंने explain किया था कि story का मतलब lot of different things coming together to form one is the story. ठीक है? You have words, you have sentences, and then you have stories. Okay. So right now, what has been represented as a material palette, they are separate words. Like wood is a word, and metal is a word. So there are two ways to look at it. Either I am assuming, I can't say this is right or wrong because there's a possibility that maybe you could do the whole set using wood and nothing else. But is that what you're proposing? Is what my question is. So if you look at it from two perspectives, this could be right also, and this could be wrong also. I'm assuming that it has been misunderstood as a story because I think it should be a combination of wood, metal, maybe carpet and glass, because you can't make the whole set out of carpet, correct? Or you can't make the whole set out of only glass. So I'm assuming that he basically ended up taking different material as one story, but the idea of the story was that each story should have an entire palette in itself.
Maybe the story can go down like this, you know, one story, two stories.
Yeah, correct. So if you look at the first column, yeah, so that's typically how it would be. So I think there's a basic misunderstanding here. Story का मतलब क्या था? So basically, story is like a combination of sentences or words. So each word stands for one material, let's say. So it cannot be, I cannot write a story which is wood. I could do that if I'm really good at it. Okay, how do I do a small paragraph only using the word wood in different ways? ठीक है, but ये एक बार उनसे clarify कर लेना कि उनका idea क्या था कि ये पूरा डिजाइन से wood में बनेगा, ये सेकंड वाला अगर चूज करेंगे तो पूरा डिजाइन से मेटल में बनेगा, वो था या she just taken different families of material and put down as different stories.
So combination of four basically this is the idea.
So basically then all these four have to, so all the four, as in you're saying that wood, metal, carpet and
Yes.
glass, right?
Yes.
So these
I
basically
miss.
all these four together will become one story. You can hear me now?
Okay. Okay, sir.
So basically,
Okay.
basically what has happened is आपने जो आपको, I think you're using all the four materials, right? This is what your material
Yes.
palette is going to be.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So I think you choose one right images together from all these four individual items and put them together as one story. Okay. And like that, you'll have to create multiple stories. You can't just have only one story. Okay. So let's
Okay,
say
sir.
one material story uses more of stone, a little bit of wood, and let's say a little bit of metal. So you show that in the material palette accordingly. More wood, little stone, little metal. The other story could also be mostly metal, little bit of wood, and maybe no stone. So it doesn't have to be completely different materials. Even the proportion or the treatment of materials become different stories. So let's say if I'm using wood, and if I use light wood could be a part of one story, and a dark wood could be a part of another story. Okay. A well-finished wood could be a part of one story, and an unfinished wood could be a part of another story, even though they're both wood. Okay. So it doesn't mean that every material story has to be completely different materials. No, the stories have to be different from each other. ठीक है, जैसे अभी फिल्म होता है ना, आप फिल्म बनाते हो, फिल्म का कंस्ट्रक्ट सेम होता है, ठीक है, but why do we classify into a horror movie? Why do we classify it into a romantic movie? Why do we classify it into a comedy movie? The components of the movie are still the same, ठीक है, but the proportions of each of these elements make it into either a thriller or a comedy or a, ऐसे नहीं कि थ्रिलर मूवी पे थोड़ी भी कॉमेडी नहीं होती है थोड़ी बहुत कॉमेडी कभी कुछ, ठीक है, और कॉमेडी फिल्म में थ्रिल नहीं होता है. So all of together could be different from each other. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी बेटा. Keep it there outside quickly. Okay, keep it here on the table here. Sorry, babysitting. So I think the same thing could be like the color story also. I think it's become the same thing, right? Because I figured that once you understood the top one, अपने color story maybe I'm sure that you're not looking at gold being one color story and red being another color story. It's a combination of these two colors, right? And इधर गलती से रेड के बदले ग्रीन कलर लिख दिया आपने, और इधर गोल्ड के बजाय ब्राउन कलर लिख दिया.
Excuse me, sir.
Fast work.
One
हाँ जी,
question.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
Based on same thing, आपने अभी जैसे बोला है कि in one story we should include all the material which we will be using for a particular theme. Okay, so actually I had thought of two ideas. One was rural and one was simple and elegant. So based on the rural thing, I had chosen 4-5 material and that I have put in my story one. And based on elegant one, I had chosen 3-4 materials like the fiber reinforced plastic and other things, which I thought will be matching with what I'm thinking in my mind. So
Okay.
I mean,
So I'll take a step back. ठीक है?
Yeah.
When we are doing the inspiration based on the keywords, right? तो आपने बोला कि मैंने ये दो कीवर्ड लिया है, ठीक है, rustic और simple और elegant, right?
Yeah.
What we have to start doing is looking at these words together. ठीक है? They're not independent words, because these words have come from your research on the designer and his work and all of that, correct? And
Right.
some part of the inspiration that aligns to the designer's work, right?
Correct.
So technically, all these words should be connected to each other. They will not be opposites, right? So when I'm choosing certain words to choose my inspiration from, say rural and simple and elegant can go hand in hand, right? So let's say when I say rural can have 5 different stories, okay? But as soon as I say simple and elegant also, can I take simple and elegant to rural and find images of rural that are simple and elegant, or the parts of rural that you're inspiring from that also reflect simple and elegant? So आपको अभी individual words पे फोकस कब करना है, बट टुगेदर जो फीलिंग है ना उस पर ज्यादा फोकस करना है. तो डोंट मेक एवरीथिंग इंडिपेंडेंट कि अभी मैंने 3 वर्ड चूज किया है ना, मैं 3 वर्ड के लिए अलग अलग मूड बोर्ड बनाऊंगी. नहीं, you have to look at all the 3 together as a story.
Okay, so story 1 and story 2 will be based on my single idea. It will not be 2 different themes. Okay,
right.
Fine sir, thank
Correct. ठीक है.
Right.
So आप लोग अभी बेसिकली what I'm feeling is कि आपका जो आप लोगों को जो कनेक्शन है ना, वो वर्ड टू वर्ड कनेक्शन, इमेज टू इमेज कनेक्शन, वहां पर थोड़ा सा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को और. ठीक है. सो आप लोग अभी भी बहुत सारी चीजें एक कंपार्टमेंट में देख रहे हो, सिंगल कंपार्टमेंट में. ठीक है. यू विल हैव टू स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन थिंग्स. ठीक है. बिटवीन वर्ड टू वर्ड रिलेशनशिप, मटेरियल टू फॉर्म, फॉर्म टू टेक्सचर, टेक्सचर टू कलर. दैट रिलेशनशिप इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है. कॉन्सेप्ट टू स्टोरी, स्टोरी टू कीवर्ड्स. ठीक है. कीवर्ड्स बैक टू द डिजाइनर्स वर्क. All that relationship you should not let go of, because all of this has come from there only. ठीक है. आपने जहां से शुरू किया था और जहां पर आप अभी हो ना, it has come from the same source. ठीक है. तो you should be able to link these things at any point of time. ठीक है. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि हमने ऐसा फाइनली जो कॉन्सेप्ट बनाया और फाइनली वो डिजाइनर का काम देखे और कॉन्सेप्ट देखे दो अलग चीज दिख रही है हमको. ठीक है. मतलब वैसा नहीं हो जाना चाहिए. That's why you keep saying that you have to keep going back and forth, saying that कि मैंने जहाँ से शुरू किया था, जो मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग थी वो रिटेन हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही है. Am I digressing too much? ठीक है. That connection always have to be established, and that's why we keep saying that even if you keep referring to 5 slides back, no, at every slide, then that connection doesn't get lost. ठीक है. When in a lot of cases it happens like Chinese whispers. What you start with and what you come out with is completely different and completely might not be linked to each other. So it should not become that. Okay? You always have a chance to go back and ask what was correct and come back again. Okay? If you don't keep referring backwards, then you might end up in the Chinese whisper kind of a stage. So here also, in terms of the sketches, for me it's still too detailed. But I will not, I mean, if you want to do detail, you can do detail, but I'm saying that at this stage, it kind of, you waste a lot of time doing details. Okay? तो ट्राई जस्ट, मतलब इतना इलेबोरेट आपने अभी इसमें स्पेंड किया है टाइम, अभी कॉन्सेप्ट रिजेक्ट करने के लिए भी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा हमको, है ना. हमको पता है कि आपने कितना मेहनत किया है इसमें. तो हमको जब इतना डिफिकल्टी हो रहा है तो आपको खुद को रिजेक्ट करने में कितना डिफिकल्टी होगा आप सोचो. ठीक है. एंड दैट इज द पोजीशन वी डोंट वांट टू बी इन, बिकॉज हियर यू आर सेल्फ इवैल्यूएटिंग. आई एम चूजिंग बिटवीन 10 थिंग्स दैट आई हैव मेड माय सेल्फ एंड डिसाइडिंग दिस इज बेटर देन द अदर और दिस वर्क्स मोर एंड आई कैन नॉट टेक दिस फर्दर. ठीक है. तो सेल्फ क्रिटिक में आप जितना ज्यादा मेहनत करोगे, जितना काम करोगे एक चीज पे ना, द मोर डिफिकल्ट इट इज फॉर यू टू रिजेक्ट दैट. ठीक है. वो बार बार आपके दिमाग में आता रहेगा कि इतना टाइम स्पेंड किया इस पे. यू स्टार्ट लविंग योर कॉन्सेप्ट टू मच. सो दैट शुड नेवर हैपन विद अ डिजाइनर. यू डोंट हैव टू, आई मीन, यू हैव टू बी इन लव विद योर कॉन्सेप्ट, बट यू डोंट हैव टू फॉल इन लव विद इट. ठीक है. इट्स अ वेरी फाइन डिफरेंस. ठीक है. आप जो काम कर रहे हो, यू शुड लव डूइंग दैट वर्क दैट यू डूइंग, बट उसके प्यार में नहीं पड़ जाना चाहिए. ठीक है. आप प्यार करो उससे, प्यार में मत पड़ जाओ. दैट्स द डिफरेंस. ठीक है. सो ट्राई एंड मिनिमलिस्टिकली एक्सप्लोर. So here, I mean, and typically you could, I mean, you could do it in plan, you could do it in elevation, or you could do it in, I mean, general axonometric or isometric, whatever you're comfortable with to showcase your idea, where you can define your idea. Yeah. Then let's go to another. Let's take Bhubaneswar. Shraddha Patnaik. Okay. So this person has taken bodies as the designer inspiration. See, a lot of these designers, I've known their work for a long time. Okay, I've known them also for a long time. So a lot of time I'll be judging the final designers coming out based on the fact that I know them for that much and I've seen their work for that long. Okay. So I don't really need to, as soon as I look at the third slide and I feel that it is not syncing with what they've been doing, then there's some kind of a problem. So your final inspiration was basically transition, right? Where you're saying from Art Deco, a slightly more ornamental style of architecture to a modern and a post-independence language. So you're basically talking about transition between the two because the designer's work borrows a bit from traditional to contemporary transition. Okay. So even though the clothes have that whole feeling of traditional insights and understanding, and it's put into a more modern context, I'm not sure if this particular theme is absolutely apt for it. Okay. Because I'm not sure why you've taken elements from Art Deco and showing the transition from Art Deco to modernistic, because modernistic still happened 50 years ago. Okay. Modernistic architecture is not what is there currently. It's a period in architecture which is already 50 years old already. Okay. So when you start doing that, there's a little bit of, I'm a little confused there. But in terms of the keywords kind of are fine. It's minimalism, weightlessness, modernism, freedom, transformation, symmetric, simple, progressive. And then you come to the final inspirational theme. Okay. So here there are three images. One obviously conceptually talks about freedom. Okay. I personally have freedom, independence, and transformation. So this particular image talks about, let's say, freedom from a very metaphorical, conceptual point of view. Okay. It's not something, then it is nothing better. So why don't you sit here and see? So that you don't have to go outside also. You can sit on the chair here and sit behind me. Yeah. So I am kind of, at this stage, would not want you to use very, you can choose metaphors, but metaphorical or symbolic images, no, don't really work too much. So when I'm saying freedom, I know that bird and the hand means freedom, but I'd rather have images that actually reflect freedom in the real sense. That's it. Okay. So this is okay, but you can still work on this a little bit. Then there is modernism or post-independence architecture, which is the Pragati Maidan, and then you have the Art Deco motive from this thing. So I'm thinking that you're trying to take these few concepts and kind of merge it together into something that comes across as modern and free and lightweight and more adaptable in that sense, or more transitionary in that sense. And then your form board is basically, it's already, you have not put images here. It's mostly patterns that are there. So it still tells me a certain form that you might be wanting to work with, even though it's the same form and different things. That's okay, not a problem. The bottom one is slightly more ornamental. It's slightly more detailed. It's part decorative and part modernist. The material board also looks fine, but I'm just wondering if these are materials that are too elaborate or basically too permanent, so to say, because all the material that is here is mostly stone and cement and those kind of material, right? And some bit of metal. So again, we cannot forget the context of what we are doing. We are finally doing a ramp design for a show. Okay. So when I'm choosing my material palette, I know that material palette has to be derived from the inspiration that you're taking, but also needs to be in context of what you want to do or what the application would be. So will I be using so much stone work, or will I be So even though there is still an open door here where I'm saying that if I'm showing, let's say, a material like concrete, I might not use real concrete. I might use concrete finish. Okay. But then I would not want that to be as a part of, it could be a part of this material as far as it only talks about the finish, or I would rather have it in maybe the partly in the texture mood board and partly in the material mood board also. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But I would still want you to relook at this palette right now, because it's, for me, it's when you're talking of lightweightedness and all of that, and the material that then you look at it, they're basically mostly heavy materials. Okay. So even though the materials are the same that you use from Art Deco and modernist architecture, but then your combination between these form story and the material story has to be so evolved that you can make concrete feel light. If that's the concept that you're driving, saying that, okay, I'm using concrete, which is a very heavy material, but I'm using it in a way which gives me a feeling of weightlessness or lightness, then it's okay. Then it might be fine. Okay. Otherwise, it might not work. Color stories are also okay in terms of subjective. I'm not too sure about the bottom one. Also sometimes what happens is when you put the color palette, if it's not in the right proportion sometimes, then it's sometimes it gets difficult to communicate what, so let's say in the bottom palette, there might be elements of blue and turquoise in, let's say, Art Deco or modernistic architecture, but they might be, let's say, only used for highlights. Okay. They might not occupy predominant space in that architecture. It's only used for highlight, whereas the base material is mostly neutral. So what happens when I look at this palette and the equal divisions of all colors, then sometimes it gets difficult to correlate and say that, okay, does this, I mean, I look at so much modernist architecture, but I don't see it as so colorful. Okay. And again, don't choose this color palette based on 1 or 2 images. Okay. So look at 50 images of modernist architecture to derive your palette if you have to. Okay. So the inferences have to come from a larger, let's say, foot size. You have to at least look at that many to kind of get a pattern. Okay. So this a little bit of revision could happen here also. Texture is again okay, but they're all very similar textures. So I'll not be able to comment into this immediately, where it could work, it could not work. But I think once you revise your material palette a little bit, maybe this might also get refined a little bit. Okay. And then you have your sketches, these are interesting sketches, because you've taken one element and you've kind of done enough work for it to understand whether it can transform into this. The same thing here. So these are, I mean, in terms of the style of illustration or the drawing, I like this much detail because it kind of communicates the idea. Okay. But it's not too much time spent on doing the detail of the drawing. Okay, which I find interesting. And you have, whoever this person is has a decent amount of drawing skills. So obviously it helps, because I mean, you can look at the sketch and say that, okay, थोड़ा drawing करता है बंदा या बनती. So it is interesting. So these are the kind of sketches that actually I was hinting at. When you're doing so this much is enough. You don't need to do more than that. Okay. So here also you have done 3-4 options and put different positions. I would say that even if you just do this center image, it can be kept as an idea, and later when we evaluate whether this works or not, this is enough for us to understand whether this will work or not based on our pros and cons. Okay. But I would need more sketches of the same type.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And don't forget the keywords that you are choosing and the inspiration you are choosing. Okay. It had freedom, it had architecture, it had Art Deco, all together coming as one story.
So actually, I wanted to tell you about the Art Deco thing. I took Art Deco because Bodice as a brand has this concept that she is inspired from traditional things, and she incorporates traditional materials into the modern wardrobe, so that we feel comfortable with it and we can wear that through morning till the evening, and we don't have to shift on changing
for different occasions.
Right.
So, so that way, I just wanted to show the transition as a concept that maybe even when we shifted to the postmodern architecture, the style was very crisp and clean and edgy lines and all of that minimalism.
Right.
So
Right.
coming from Art Deco to that more postmodern architecture, I wanted to show that shift through the ramp design, because that is what Borders also kind of believes in. She
No, I
tries to
understand.
show
See,
that shift.
your fundamental concept is about transition from tradition to
Yeah.
modern, still retaining a bit of traditionality in the core values. Okay. So I
Yeah,
understand.
yeah.
Okay, one, that is your basic concept. And as a metaphor, you have taken so let's say Art Deco to postmodernism, Art Deco to modernism as a transition.
Yeah.
My question was, why transition only in this context? I understand that she's okay. Let's say you say that she also kind of inspires from architecture a little bit. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
architecture becomes a point of reference. But why Art Deco to modernism? Why not modernism to postmodernism, or postmodernism to futuristic, or Baroque to, let's say, Gregorian? Why not any other transition? Why Art Deco to modernism? Was my only question.
Okay,
So,
I think, sir, because I took the ornamental part of Art Deco and I thought that was something which I can try to, convert, like converting the Art Deco ornamental motifs into more cleaner things for installations in the RAM design. Maybe something like that. I had that in mind. So,
right. No, like I said, conceptually, you are on the
yeah.
right track. Okay.
Okay.
Mine was only a question. Okay. I'm
Yeah,
still not
yeah,
saying
yeah.
it's right or wrong. Okay. As far as you have the
Okay.
answers to what you have done and it aligns,
Yeah.
I'm absolutely fine. Okay. Because, like I said, this is basically a understanding kind of an exercise. It's not really a
Yeah.
right or a wrong exercise. It's not just that I know everything and nobody else knows anything. I think I might know Ruchika and Borders for a long time, but there's a possibility that I don't know a side of her that maybe you have seen while doing research, because I never researched a brand. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm saying that if you have the relevant answers for why you have chosen what you have chosen, I am okay with that. Okay. So
Okay.
my role here is to ask you the questions, and your role here is to have the answers. Okay. And if you don't
Okay,
have
sir, thank you.
if you don't have the answers, then we'll try and negotiate as to how we can come to that answer. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
But anyways, I like the your sketching style and the abilities. Like it's very architecture-ish. I'm not an architect, but it's still very architecture. I can say that.
I'm an architect by profession also.
I know it because very few designers would do sketches like these. Okay. So it's already 4:15. So is that see? I kind of covered more or less every point and every stage at some point or the other. Is there any specific question regarding anybody else's specific work or feedback that has been given to you that you have question and you want to ask me about?
So you all got your feedbacks yesterday. I'm sure all of you have seen those. So if you want to clarify any point which you feel you haven't understood from the feedback, you can ask it now. Everybody's happy with the feedback? There's no issue?
Wow.
Sir, I would like to ask you one thing.
Thank God. I was otherwise wondering कि my writing skills are too good कि मैंने ऐसे feedback दिया कि कोई सवाल ही नहीं पूछ रहा है मुझसे.
Sir, I got the feedback that I can fine tune the imagery a bit. So I would like to know in what sense.
See, wherever I've given that comment for most of the people, so in a way, what you put down there is not absolutely off the track. Okay, but let's say where you put, let's say, 5 imageries, a couple of imageries might not be working with respect to the other 3 or 4 imageries. That could be one reason. The second would mostly be if, let's say, the cropping is not correct, or let's say अगर हम कुछ particular चीज दिखा रहे हैं वो capture नहीं हो रहा है उस image में बराबर से, so that image. So basically, it's not a feedback that you have to immediately act upon. So basically, the long-term feedback is that your selection of imagery should, over a period of time, evolve and become better. Because this cannot happen in one day. ठीक है, the more you do research, the more you start doing this editing and selection, by default it'll start improving. So that kind of stuff, when I'm saying that the imagery is fine but could refine a little more, that is a more long-term feedback. Okay, and as you do this, more and more image selection in different ways, you automatically will start seeing the difference in what you select from the other one. Okay, so it's not saying that it's wrong, but you can just relook at your images, and I feel like after the feedback that I've given today, something is not working with respect to the whole story, then maybe you could replace those images.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Great. Yeah. Yes,
Sir,
Manpreet?
I have one question.
Hanji.
I have received my feedback, and it is on the stage 2, and I guess the feedback is it is not covering the stage 1, which I had reworked on. So should I assume that stage 1 is correct?
Right. So what I'm saying is, because I think your presentation hadn't come with the stage 1 thing, right, earlier?
No,
And
sir.
right now it's come, because
stage 1
page is. So you have revised it. Post my
I
feedback.
had got a lot of corrections in stage 1. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what
after
I've
that
done
I
in
haven't.
this, what I've done is I've directly gone. I've scrolled through the first page. Okay. And that, because that's a research and understanding phase, I have started directly at your inspiration. Okay. There's multiple areas of inspiration that you've taken, and then to the concept note, and then beyond that. Because I have not tracked back completely from like slide 1. I've taken it on from your multiple inspiration areas and the concept note. So I've at least tracked back for everybody till that level, and looking at the design you have chosen, if the concept aligns to the designer, the concept note kind of is in sync, and I've given you a comment based on that, then it's fine. Okay, where I felt that कि आपने एक certain designer लिया है और जो आप concept note पे आए हो या inspiration लिया वो अगर sync में नहीं है, so I've actually put down a question that's saying that the choice of concept is questionable because I cannot find a connect between the designer and the concept chosen. ठीक है, अगर मैंने वो comment नहीं डाला आपके वहाँ पर and आपके comment दिया तो I think that means आपका पहले का stage बराबर है. ठीक है?
Okay, so much, sir.
You guys think of a question that you want to ask me. Just give me a 2-minute break. I have to put Zain onto a class mode, and I'll come back 1 second. Then come, that's it. That's it today, Bita. Push the sofa back. Sofa.
Okay, so do anybody else has any kind of query? पूछना है किसी को?
Anybody needs to ask me anything? If not, then I can go and attend my son's class.
Then we can maybe just finish with the.
I have one question, sir.
Yes.
सर जैसे मेरे फीडबैक में था कि मुझे फाइनल स्केचेस ओके हैं, जैसे मैंने ज्यादा नहीं 5 और 6 दिए थे, तो उसमें आपने लिखा था कि फाइनल स्केचेस ओके हैं बट आई विल have to explore more, not just restricting to arches or what was that?
Right. So basically, आपके multiple sketches थे,
because my inspiration was Mughal. So तो मैं ये जानना चाहती थी सर, जो हमें आइडिया के स्केचेस बनाने हैं वो कंप्लीट रैम्पॉक के बनाने हैं या पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट्स के बनाने हैं? कंप्लीट रैम्पॉक के पूरे आइडियाज देने हैं, नॉट डिटेलिंग बट नॉट डिटेलिंग बट एक बारी को तो पूरा रैम्पॉक,
अगर आप
लाइक सॉरी रैम डिजाइन
आप उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में दिखा सके तो इट्स बेटर. ठीक है, कभी कभी क्या होता है कि आपके स्केचिंग एबिलिटीज और आपका जो पर्सपेक्टिव अंडरस्टैंडिंग है उसमें इतना चैलेंजिंग हो जाता है कि आप वो रैम को 3D में ऐसे बना के दिखा नहीं सकते बराबर से. तो मैं लिमिट नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि आप पूरा रैम पे दिखाओ, बट इवन एट अ प्लान लेवल कि आपने एक बाजू में एक प्लान का स्केच किया है और सपोज आप आर्च डाल रहे हो तो सिर्फ लाइन से ऐसे बना के दिखा देंगे, आर्चेस ऐसे आएंगे. ठीक है, एंड बाजू में और एक आर्च बना दिया, 2 आर्च बना दिया. बेसिकली आपका जो आइडिया है वो कन्वे होना चाहिए.
ओके, तो कंप्लीट रैम डिजाइन का आइडिया कन्वे होना चाहिए एंड दैट वुड बी काउंटेड एज वन आइडिया.
राइट, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. आप उसको थोड़ा कंसाइज करके वो आइडिया बनाएं आप. ठीक है, आपको उसमें अगर लाइटिंग इज नॉट आपका, सपोज अगर लैंप्स है, ठीक है, और लैम्प्स अगर आपका डिजाइन का कोर पार्ट नहीं है तो इस एलिमेंट में आपको लाइट दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है। हाँ, बट अगर आपका डिजाइन ऐसा है कि वो लैम्प पूरा सपोज 50 लैम्प लगे लाइन से, तो देन लैम्प्स दिखाने हैं, ठीक है। तो आपको जो की एलिमेंट है ना वो उस रैम के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में रिफ्लेक्ट होना चाहिए। तो अगर आपका की एलिमेंट आर्चेस है तो मेक श्योर यू कैप्चर द आर्चेस, और आपका अगर की एलिमेंट आर्चेस और लाइट्स टुगेदर है देन मे बी कैप्चर दोस टू टुगेदर, ठीक है। और आपका की एलिमेंट सिर्फ पिलर्स है तो मेक श्योर दैट यू कैप्चर द पिलर्स, बट उसमें भी आपको पूरा मतलब बाकी रैम डिजाइन का पूरा एलाबोरेटरी कंप्लीट नहीं करना है, बट एटलीस्ट वो जो की एलिमेंट है वो कैप्चर हो जाना चाहिए, ठीक है।
Okay, and sir, how many ideas sketches will have to put there?
अगर नंबर चाहिए आपको
not number but जैसे मुझे उस टाइम तक इतना ही माइंड में आया कि मैं इसको ऐसे करके लाइक जैसे 5 to 6 आइडियाज में जनरेट कर पाई इन टर्म्स ऑफ कंप्लीट रैम डिजाइन, इन टर्म्स ऑफ कंप्लीट रैम।
आपने 5
तो मैंने 5 उनके एलिवेशन सॉर्ट ऑफ कुछ लाइक मैंने आपको बना के
आपने 5 आइडिया स्केच किए ना, और फिर आपके बाद आपका आइडिया का बैंक खत्म हो गया है ना। उसके बाद आपको अभी क्या करना पड़ेगा कि आप वापस अपने इंस्पिरेशन वाले स्लाइड पे जाओ, ठीक है। लुक एट योर कीवर्ड, लुक एट योर इंस्पिरेशन, ठीक है, एंड गो एंड टेक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम द स्केचेस, लुक एट लेट्स से more elements that you could actually let's say identify with in the royal and the Mughal architecture side of it, because I'm sure सिर्फ arches और pillars नहीं है या windows नहीं है मुगल आर्किटेक्चर में, ठीक है। तो अभी मुगल आर्किटेक्चर की 50 इमेजेस देखोगे या 2-3 आर्टिकल पढ़ोगे जिन्होंने मुगल आर्किटेक्चर को ब्रेक डाउन किया है कि कोर एलिमेंट्स क्या होते थे, ठीक है। तो एक तो आपने बिल्डिंग से ले लिया, तो मुगल आर्किटेक्चर में बहुत सारे गार्डन भी बनते थे,
हाँ सर, मुगल गार्डन,
वहां से भी इंस्पिरेशन, हाँ मुगल गार्डन से, करेक्ट। तो वहां से भी बहुत सारे इंस्पिरेशन आ सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो द मल्टीपल थिंग्स दैट मेड दैट आर्किटेक्चर व्हाट इट इज, राइट। सो यू कुड इंस्पायर फ्रॉम एनी कोर एलिमेंट एंड डू इट, ठीक है। यू कैन जस्ट से दैट कि मुगल आर्किटेक्चर में बहुत सारा वो क्या बोलते हैं कैलीग्राफी होता था,
हाँ लाइक इस्लामिक अरेबिक जो कैलीग्राफी है,
कैलीग्राफी भी है, then there are a lot of flora and not fauna but mostly flora that is depicted, plants और flowers के बहुत सारे हैं। तो वो बहुत सारी चीजें आप कहीं से भी इंस्पायर कर सकते हो, आप
ओके,
आप कहीं से भी इंस्पायर कर सकते हो, आप या आप वो इनले वर्क से इंस्पायर हो सकते हो, आप वो कैलीग्राफी से इंस्पायर हो सकते हो, आप फॉर्म से इंस्पायर हो सकते हो, आप मटेरियल से इंस्पायर हो सकते हो, आप पूरा जो उनका जो लेआउट होता था उससे इंस्पायर हो सकते हो, ठीक है।
So still my inspiration would be Mughal, like if I'll be inspired with the geometrical patterns.
No, obviously, no, आपका बेसिस तो मुगल आर्किटेक्चर ही है ना, आप डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स लेके एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हो, ठीक है। So let's say I'm taking inspiration from Mughal architecture, and my designer makes clothes that are let's say very very feminine and very let's say summery or whatever it is. So then I would not take an inspiration from the geometrical patterns of the Mughal architecture. I can still take inspiration from Mughal architecture, but I'll take the softer side of Mughal architecture. So maybe I'll take the garden part of it, or maybe I'll take the let's say floral jali work, or maybe I'll take the floral inlay work. Let's say ताजमहल ले लूंगा मैं, where जहाँ पर आपका greens और pinks और whites use हुए हैं, and I'll not take the red fort. ठीक है. So in context of the designer that you're choosing, you can take any inspiration from any part of the Mughal architecture because your domain is so large.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Cool. Anybody else? Because I need to go.
So Wasim, what about the next one? Next step. Do they just carry on to the next one, and we'll have a?
Yeah. Let them carry on to the next stage. Because I think some bit of revision, because जैसे मैंने feedback में डाला है, some people have to revise some part of their earlier.
Of the feedback in mind, you just revise whatever is required, and then you move on to the next phase.
Next phase. Because next call will be on the next phase and a recap of the previous phase. ठीक है?
So we'll send you a deadline for that. Take it as a week from today. Today is what, Tuesday? So maybe by next Tuesday you send in your work, and then we can schedule the next class after that.
And set a deadline for me also.
Yeah.
And verify the deadline. No, this last week was really crazy because what has happened is partially people have opened up their offices and stuff.
I know.
So now, even though we have not opened office, we're stuck between an open office and a closed office. Not really closed office, offline office. And there's so much interaction that's happening right now कि काम करने के लिए लोग time नहीं दे रहे. पहले क्या होता था, because you have to travel for a meeting, no? It would take, let's say, it would give you a notice for a week for a one meeting, and people would accumulate a lot of stuff to discuss in that one meeting. अभी क्या हो जाता है ना, एक छोटी सी चीज डिस्कस करनी है तो उसके लिए मीटिंग रख लेते हैं, and you can't get away from that meeting. So almost every day there are multiple meetings for small things, because it's easy to do it now. So I'm spending 4 to 5 hours on call, and the rest of the time is I'm spending in doing design. So just like
we'll hopefully give you enough time to go through the material and give us the feedback. So
yeah, now also because the number have reduced a little bit, I think for me also it's more qualitative feedback that I'll be able to give, and it's more specific to people who are submitting work. So it's easier to give feedback to 30 people than 100 people.
Yeah.
Right.
ठीक है.
So
चलो फिर.
Cool. ठीक है. चलो then.
Okay जी.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you, everybody.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.